This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Kristi Russell. Cute and charming 3-bedroom/2-bath. Nice sun porch and covered front porch. Spacious 2-car detached garage with water/gas/electric with an amazing upstairs workshop. Newer appliances and windows. Metal roof and full basement for additional storage or finish for added square footage. Close to shopping and schools. Been in the same family since 1970s. New water lines, gas lines, water tank, updated bathroom, metal roof in 2013, hardwoods under some carpet if not all. For more information, review the details below or contact Kristi Russell at 304-776-7653.